Hi guys, hope you're well. So today's video, I thought I would try out some new Revolution Beauty. I believe that's their new name. So I thought I would try out the new palette by Soph Does Nails here on YouTube. I did buy her previous release. I really enjoyed that. I haven't actually got it with me to show you. I think it's like all boxed up somewhere. As you know, I have moved and life was a bit hectic, but I'm trying to get everything sorted. I have actually purchased the palette by Tammy. If you guys want me to talk about this palette, then please let me know. Yeah, I have used it, as you can probably, I don't know if you can tell, but I have. It's a really good palette, but if you want me to talk about it, then just let me know. So this is the Soph palette, and she also came out with 3 lipsticks, like neutral tone lipsticks. I only bought one, which was the darker shade, but I'll show you that in a minute. But she came out with her first palette, was it last year? And then recently she just released her new palette with Revolution Beauty, and this one is called the Extra Spice palette. And I think the packaging is really cool. It's a rose gold packaging. It's got the details of each shadow on the back. This palette retails for £10, and I actually purchased mine last week off of Superdrug's website, and I tend to wait for everything to go into Superdrug's because I don't really want to pay the shipping on the Revolution Beauty website. But this is what her palette looks like. It's very reflective. It's very similar to Tammy's one, but although it's a bit lighter, I think, than Tammy's one. So there are 18 eyeshadows in this, but when you open it up, this is what you get on the inside. I thought the palette looked actually really quite decent. I actually do like Revolution Beauty's eyeshadows. I know not everyone does, but I don't find them to be terrible, and I think they're a good price. Like £10, 18 eyeshadows. I don't think you can really go wrong. But generally speaking, I've not really had any major issues with any Revolution eyeshadows. So yeah, really like it. I'm probably not going to swatch all of the eyeshadows because I really don't think that swatching eyeshadows is going to be the best indicator as to how the eyeshadow will work. I actually realised this a lot with Tammy's palette. When I swatched her palette, I was actually, if I'm being completely honest, very disappointed. It was when I actually used it on my eyes, I was like, oh, okay, now I know. But in here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of metallic shades, and you've got this kind of brown, which is called chocolate orange, and it has like speckles of gold shimmer in it. 6 metallic shades, and the rest are matte, except for this one that has like some gold shimmer in it. So yeah, I thought I'll do a little look with that palette with you. And then she came out with 3 lipsticks as well as her palette with Revolution Beauty, and that's the lipstick she came out with. I do like the packaging. It's similar to her packaging for the eyeshadow. It says Revolution Soph X on there, and at the bottom you can see the colour as well, and the colour is Fudge. I got the one that's the darkest lipstick because I thought that would suit my skin tone better. Not sure if you could have seen that, if you saw that, but it does say Soph X on the lipstick as well, so I thought that was quite cool. I'm going to try and move you in just slightly closer, and we can get on with playing with the palette. I have no idea what kind of look I want to kind of create with this. I did say I wasn't really going to swatch for you, but I'll do a couple of swatches because there are some colours that really did intrigue me. So you can kind of see these are some of the colours there. I think they're quite nice. They do feel quite smooth. I haven't actually used this palette yet. Very pigmented, as you can see. This shade Infinity, it's quite chunky. You can kind of see right here. But apart from that, I do quite like these. I didn't even see this. She's got a yellow shade in here. In the swatch, the yellow doesn't really come up very well on me. I've already primed my eyes, used my concealer. I'm gonna take this shade here called Cheesecake, which is like a warm brown, and I'm going to use that as my initial transition shade. Okay, it does kick up a bit of product, but that's not terrible. Alright, that's quite pigmented. Can you see that? Yes, that is very pigmented. Alright, I'm going to go into, it's like a pinky red. It's called 21, and it just jumps out at me, so I really want to try it. Wow, that is really pigmented. Really tap that off, and I'm just going to kind of warm up the transition shade. Wow, okay. That's really pigmented. Okay. With that cheesecake colour, the brown that I initially put on, mixed in with this 21 shade, they both give a really lovely, like, warm but reddish, like a reddish warm tone. Right, I really want to try the yellow shade. I'm just going to use first of all this Bobbi Brown, like it's a neutral base kind of colour, onto my lid. just so I think the yellow can kind of pop a bit better. I'm gonna try and pack on the yellow shade in here. It's called Vitamin C. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm really packing it on. It's really not like a vibrant kind of yellow, but it's okay. It's workable. But I am kind of really packing it on there. It's nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Now I feel like I need to put on some shimmer. Sticking with the yellow theme, we're gonna go in with the shade LA Sun. So I'm just gonna place this just a bit over the matte yellow. Okay, it's nice. It's not giving the bling kind of effect I thought it would, but actually it is. It's not too bad. There's a lot of fallout with this yellow shade. Let's try spraying the shadow, because there's definitely a lot of fallout in that. And let's go on the other eye. Much better, of course. Much less fallout. Just gonna go back over my crease color and kind of just blend everything out. I don't want to use a black today, so I'm going to take the shade here called Enchanted, which is like a purple, like a deep purple color. I'm going to take that and maybe mix a little bit in with 21 to deepen up my outer V. I'm just going to kind of place that on. So what do you guys think? I really do like it. I like the fact I went with yellow because I wouldn't typically normally do a look like this, so I'm quite impressed. I actually picked up this, which is the, what is it, Revolution Renaissance Flick. I heard a few people talking about this and positive reviews, so I thought, why not, you know? This is actually a really cool packaging. Okay, this is very, very, very thin. Let's try. I like it. What do you guys think? It does give you a very precise thin line, and you can definitely work with it. Takes some getting used to, but I'm not mad at it. I'm just going to quickly finish off the rest of my eyes and I will be back. So I've just finished my eyes up and just sprayed, so if my face is looking a bit damp, that's why. I just used the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Spray. And yeah, this is the look. Oh, I put on some highlighter because I actually completely forgot to put highlighter on. I really like this look. What do you guys think? So all I did on the bottom of my eyes was just all the transition shades. I just kind of blended them under my eyes there. Light bronze color, I placed that into my inner V, and yeah. So now I'm gonna try out the lipstick. The shade that I actually got is the shade called Fudge. So this is what Fudge looks like. I did show you before. That's what the shade Fudge looks like swatched. It's more of like a light brown tone. Obviously on Soph's skin tone it comes out much darker, but on me it comes like a pinky brown kind of tone. So I probably wouldn't wear this color by itself, so what I'm actually going to do is just line my lips. I've got this Revolution liner in the shade Glory, so I'm just going to quickly line my lips with this. So Glory is a dark brown colour, as you can see, and then I'm going to put this over that just because I think this shade would just be a bit too light for me. Yeah, see, it would just be a bit too light for me by itself, but it's a really nice colour actually. I do really like this. It's got a kind of satin feel to it, very comfortable to wear. I like it. What do you guys think? I'm just gonna put my glasses on because I actually cannot see you. Oh, everything looks so much better. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much because I wasn't too sure about the actual eyeshadow, because to me it's like quite bright, but I'm not mad at it. Really enjoyed this look. What do you guys think about this look? Have you tried this palette? If you have, let me know down below. Are you going to try it? Are you going to try it out? Are you going to try Tammy's palette as well? There are quite similar shades in this palette too, so to be honest I think I could create this look using Tammy's palette. So yeah, I think both palettes are actually really good. Decent price for £10. I don't think you could really go wrong with that. You can find it on Superdrug's website. I will link both the palettes down below for you. The Renaissance liner, flick liner, I actually really liked the lipstick as well. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do a review of the Tammy palette or just a demo try on of the Tammy palette. I am going to be doing a Primark haul. Bear with me with that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.